Starting in trading can feel overwhelming. There is too much noise, too much uncertainty, and too many complicated platforms. However, AlphaJetSynergy is built to make the journey clearer. That is one reason AlphaJetSynergy Reviews continue to attract attention from traders looking for a more supportive experience. AlphaJetSynergy helps users understand the foundations of trading in a way that feels practical and approachable. Core concepts such as long positions, short positions, spread, leverage, volatility, and margin are easier to grasp when the platform is designed around clarity. The platform also uses AI-driven insights to help users identify trends and market movement in real time. This means traders can make more informed decisions with the support of intelligent tools. As a result, they can spend less time guessing and more time acting with precision. Another strength of AlphaJetSynergy is accessibility. With more than 35 payment options and responsive support, users have flexibility from the start. Expert assistance is available when questions come up, which adds reassurance throughout the trading experience. AlphaJetSynergy is built for action. Fast execution, tight spreads, and access to over 3,000 active markets create an environment where opportunity is always within reach. Whether someone is exploring trading for the first time or refining a long-term strategy, the platform is designed to support growth. When traders look through AlphaJetSynergy Reviews, they often find the same message. This is a platform focused on clarity, innovation, and confidence. If your goal is to move forward with better tools and better support, AlphaJetSynergy is a strong place to begin.